Hey you guys, welcome back to day 10 of my Halloween series, and today we're doing Mike Wazowski missing his eye. My base is cover pink from my brand beautifulday.com. Once I have that all nice and put together, I'm going in with not polished matte top coat to give me something smooth to work on. First things first, we gotta get his body together, and his body is just a circle. I don't know why I thought I could just paint a circle. It's very much hard for me. I can't even draw a circle on paper. But once I got it together, I went ahead and did his legs, and his legs are just little tiny L's. That's the best way I can explain it. And then a little stick for his arm to reach up to his eyeball. Okay, now we're doing his eyeball with a little white circle, then we're doing his blue-green pupil, and then some cornea. I hope that's the anatomy. I honestly don't know. Now we're going to go in and turn his body into a donut, and then we're just going to go ahead and outline everything with black. Once we have everything outlined, we're going to draw the balloon knot, which is really just a triangle, and then we're going to draw the balloon string into where his hand will be so that I don't have to actually draw it. Now we're going to draw his ears, which are just little triangles, and then we're also going to outline those with black. Now I'm shading. I told y'all I didn't know how to shade, but I was trying it today. I just mixed my black with some clear top coat to give it that sheer look, and then I'm also going to do green and some top coat on his legs and his body. I was trying really hard, but I think it'd be cool without the shading, girl. If you can't do it, it's okay. I say try it just because you are that girl and you deserve to see what you are capable of doing. But if you can't do it, ain't nothing wrong with that. Ain't nothing wrong with that at all, because I sure as hell ain't know what I was doing today. Then I'm also going to add some shading to his ears. So, you know, continuity is consistent. So it looked like I tried a little bit, you know. Then we're going to draw his mouth, as long as he's not happy, because if my eyeball was floating out my head, I wouldn't be that happy about it. Going in with some not polished gloss top coat. That is my last step. I'm going to cure it, and there he go. Okay, Mike, with your eye missing or whatever, you better hold on to it because you're going to lose it. I'll see y'all in the next video, okay?